We really love using self-checkout systems concept. The Auchan self-checkout system called EasyScan is a great example. It allows
Okay.
customers to scan and pay for the items without needing help from a cashier. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to Auchan self-checkout EasyScan. Step 1, item scanning. Start by placing your items on the scanner. You do the scanning by yourself by using a scanner to read the barcodes. Payment. After scanning and bagging your items, it's time to pay. You can use credit
Wait,
or debit cards or mobile payment options like Apple Pay or Google
wait.
Pay.
It was
If you're using a card, just tap it on the card
here.
reader and the system will take care of the
One there.
transaction.
Okay.
Step 3, receipt. Once you've successfully paid, you'll get the printed receipt. Be careful, you'll need this printed receipt to open the door when you go out of Auchan.
Yeah.
You have to scan the barcode on the receipt, and this will unlock the door.
Yeah.
Security measures. Auchan EasyScan is secured with cameras and wave sensors to prevent theft. They also have smart algorithms in place that can detect suspicious activities by scanning expensive items as cheaper ones.
What is your opinion about self-checkout system? Do you like them?
Yeah, I think it's a really great concept. I've never heard of it before, as we don't have it in my country. But yeah, I think it can be introduced. It can solve a lot of problems, whereby you find that there are a lot of queues in the shops, people stand for long. And I know in my case, I've sometimes left the items in the shop and left them there simply because the queues are long. But if this was there, I think it would solve a lot of problems.
Yeah, for me it's a very great example of smart machines we use in our life. Everywhere in Ukraine and in Germany and in France, I often use them, these self-checkout systems. And in France, they are great too. In Auchan, the main difference is you can leave this shop
Without the receipt.
without the receipt. Yeah, but with receipt, it's easy. You scan it and door open and you go out. It's a great
It's a great
example.
concept.